Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we want to show you a duck breast recipe that's a little bit different like the traditional version, and it's today a duck breast in cherry sauce. Hi, I'm Matthias from Cooking the World, and we help people who like to eat, cook and travel to find traditional recipes and places to eat traditional food.
And before we start cooking, we're gonna preheat the oven to 100 degrees Celsius. The most important ingredient for this dish is the duck breast. Sour cherries from the glass, porter, poultry stock, juice from the sour cherries, sugar, and salt and pepper. Firstly, we're gonna wash and dry our duck breast and incise its skin crosswise. Make sure you don't go too deep. This way, the skin, while frying, is not gonna constrict. After this, we're gonna add some salt and pepper, and our breasts are ready for frying. For frying, we're gonna use the iron pan, and we're gonna place the duck breast skin side down in the cold pan, and we're gonna let it fry on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. After this time, we're gonna turn the breast and cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. As soon as we are done with frying, we're gonna place the duck breast in the oven and let it rest while we'll be preparing the sauce. Don't forget to pour the fat and the juice over the meat. To the same pan, we're gonna add the sour cherry juice and porter, and we're gonna reduce the sauce for several minutes. For this, we're gonna use the high heat and we're gonna stir it from time to time. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add the sugar and wait until the sauce thickens. When the sauce has already very nice consistency, you can add cherries, and at this point you are done. You can serve the duck breast with cooked potatoes. I really wouldn't go overboard with the side dish because this duck breast is already a highlight.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Here are 2 videos to see next.